Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. I'm pretty excited because today we make the first holiday cobbler of 2021. Now I just love snickerdoodle cookies. I mean, who doesn't? But I also love cobblers. And so today we make a snickerdoodle cobbler. So let's do this. Now I'm already preheating my oven to 375 and I use a chance to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter in it. While the butter is melting, we're gonna make our cinnamon sugar. I have 1 cup of sugar and I'm gonna use 1, 2, this is a half teaspoon, so 1 and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Whisk it all together. Looks beautiful and it smells so good. This looks good. Alright, the butter has melted. Now we add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, our cinnamon sugar, but I don't add everything. I just leave out just a little bit that I can put on the top, like this. Now I add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, but you could also use vanilla extract. And whisk it all together. It smells so good. It smells like holidays. So what is your favorite cobbler that you like to make for the holidays if you make cobblers? Or what are your favorite cookies that you like to make? Let me know in the comment box below. I really like snickerdoodle cookies and crinkle cookies. So maybe next time we make some crinkle cookies. What do you think? Okay, this looks good to me. And now I add the rest of the cinnamon sugar on top. And now we bake our snickerdoodle cobbler for about 40 minutes at 375. Now I really like whipped cream on my cobblers. So I have 2 cups of whipped cream. I add half a cup of powdered sugar. And I made just a little bit more of the cinnamon sugar. I don't know, maybe 2 tablespoons or so. And let's give it a quick mix. Okay, the whipped cream is done. And the whipped cream will stay at the fridge until our cobbler is done. Speaking of which, let's take a look. Alright, the cobbler is done and my house smells like holidays. Now we let it cool down for a moment before we cut it. And now back to our cobbler. So I'm loosening the sides with a sharp knife. And I'm gonna make 4 pieces. This smells so good, y'all. I have a plate over here. And let's try to get a piece out, hopefully without breaking it. Looks good. Oh, this looks amazing. Take a look at this. and just a little bit more cinnamon. And our beautiful snickerdoodle cobbler is done. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I hope I see you in the next video. And I'm gonna eat now. Bye!